Hello and welcome to Accent Shopping's video seminar on grill repair. This is Katie and Brian, and they will be your guides throughout this video. This grill restoration uses directions from Modern Home Products, which can be used to repair almost any natural gas or propane grill. Be sure to check your grill's owner's manual for any special instructions. There are 7 steps in our restoration process today: preparation, cooking grids and grates, burners and valves, grill interior, grill exterior, grill igniter, and reassembly and testing. Step 1. Preparation. Make sure you shut off the gas supply at the source before doing any maintenance or repairs. Next, choose a place to repair your grill. You will probably want to spread newspaper or a tarp over the area, since many parts will probably be greasy or rusty. Now it's time to start removing parts. Step 2. Cooking grids and grates. For day-to-day cooking grate cleaning, simply preheat your grill for 10 minutes, then scrub it with a brass grill bristle brush. However, when the grates get really dirty, a more in-depth cleaning will be needed. Lift the grill grates right out of the grill body. Remove them and soak them in a tub of soapy water to loosen the baked-on grease or food. Once the grates have been thoroughly soaked, remove them from the water and scrub them clean with steel wool or a stiff nylon pad. Grill grates are generally made out of either chrome or porcelain. It is possible for them to rust or chip, so after cleaning the grates, inspect them carefully. If you find that your grids are badly deteriorated, you will want to replace them. Now remove the rocks and the grate that the rocks sit on. You will probably want to replace the rocks since they absorb grease and will cause flares if they become saturated. Inspect the rock grate. Since this part sits very close to high temperatures, it will become brittle over time. You may need to replace your rock grate. Otherwise, clean the grate and set it aside for later. Now we're going to move on to checking the burner and valves. Step 3. Burner and valves. Next, check to see if the burner assembly is held in with clips or pins before you lift it out very gently. Inspect the burner assembly. If it looks damaged or deteriorated, replace the part. A new burner assembly will improve your grill's performance. Now it's time to clean the venturi tubes. Be sure to do this very gently and very thoroughly. An obstruction as small as a spiderweb can cause the propane to back up, possibly causing an explosion. Special venturi tube brushes are available for this purpose. Now we're going to check the valves. Each valve should press down, turn, and pop back up with no obstruction. If the valve catches, remove it and spray it with a lubricant. Put the knob back on, then turn a few times to evenly distribute the lubricant. If the valves stick severely, you should replace them. Now we're going to move on to cleaning the inside of the grill. Step 4. Grill interior. Scrape the interior sides of the grill with a putty knife or a scraper. The debris that you scrape off here is most likely accumulated food or grease. To get rid of the scrapings, you can either use a shop vac to pull them out or clean the inside with a strong detergent solution. Now that the interior is clean, we can work on the exterior. Step 5. Grill exterior. A solution of warm soapy water will probably be enough to restore your grill's black finish. If the grill is badly oxidized, use a steel wool pad to brush off most of the oxidation. Be sure to get all of the grease off or the paint won't stick. Spray the cover with grill paint and remember that 2 or 3 light coats are better than 1 heavy coat. Let the paint dry in the sun. Step 6. Grill igniter. Examine the igniter button and the wire connecting to it for corrosion. If your igniter button doesn't work, corrosion is probably the issue. Step 7. Reassembly and testing. It's time to put all of the pieces back together. Be sure that you have reattached the grill igniter. Now, put the venturi tubes and burner assembly back into the grill. Now put the lava rocks back into the grill. Make sure that they are evenly distributed across the grate, as this will ensure that your food grills evenly. Place the cooking grates back on top of the grill. Put the knobs back onto the control panel. Reconnect the gas supply and turn it on, but don't light the grill yet. Check for leaks in the hoses with hose line tester, paying close attention to the connections at the valve in the tank. If you see bubbles, you have a leak, and the hose will need to be replaced. When everything is ready, light the grill, close the lid, and leave it on medium heat for half an hour. This will cure the new paint. Extras. There are other parts that can be replaced if you want to improve the appearance of your grill. These parts won't make your grill work any better, but they will make it look nicer. New side shelves can be installed with ease. And a new stay-cool handle to replace the old wooden model will look nicer for longer. Congratulations! Your grill is now cleaned, repaired, and ready to use for many years to come. Remember, if you need to replace any of the parts in your grill, visit www.accentshopping.com to order them today.